talk about dinosaurs. And look at what I have.
Wow, you have plenty of dinosaurs there. Can you name each of them?
Yeah, Indominus Rex, Pterodactyl, Brachiosaurus, T-Rex, another T-Rex, and another Stegosaurus, Triceratops, and another. This is supposed to be a. This is supposed to be a like black velociraptor thing.
Huh? Looks like a raptor to me.
Yeah, it looks like. But we got Velociraptor, Triceratops, Stegosaurus, and Spinosaurus. Another T-Rex, another T-Rex, and another Velociraptor, and another Velociraptor.
Wow.
And
What do you call that big guy there?
here.
Yep.
He's a Brachiosaurus that he can move his head.
Wow, that's so cool.
And then he can like this. And eat all the dinosaurs.
What food are they going to eat?
The carnivores.
Yeah, which dinosaurs are carnivorous? The one that eats meat.
Here,
That one?
yeah, he can eat a lot of food.
Food? What kind of food?
Just like a meat.
Meat.
Yeah.
How about plants and trees?
This is a meat. This is a meat.
How about that guy? What kind of food does he eat?
Here in Dinosaur. Here.
Yep.
Plants.
Plants?
Yeah, only plants. Oh my god, it's all is there. And then now it's this. It's a carnivore.
Oh, you can't move his hands?
Yeah,
Oh, because it's a plastic, right?
yeah. And then his jaws.
Nice.
And then his feet. And then this guy can open his mouth.
That's so cool. Do you have a flying dinosaur?
Oh yeah, yes. Here.
Wow. What do you call that?
Pteranodon.
Is that a pterodactyl?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Okay. Yeah. And then
Which one is your favorite?
I like this Indominus Rex.
Show us.
Huh?
Show us.
Here Indominus Rex. Okay. Oh, it's so big.
Oh.
Okay. What's this on his head?
Is that a spot?
Is this a feathers?
Yeah, it's a hair, I think.
Yeah, it's a feathers hair.
What color is that dinosaur?
It has two spikes on his
I mean, what's the color of that dinosaur?
Indominus Rex.
What color is that? Show us.
Indominus
Is
Rex.
that a gray, white dinosaur, right?
Yeah, a gray white dinosaur with Indominus Rex.
Nice.
Okay. I wanna eat you, black. I wanna eat you, T-Rex. I'm gonna eat you.
Oh no!
And I gonna eat you. And I gonna eat you, herbivores. And I gonna eat you. And I gonna eat you. And I gonna eat you.
Oh, you have a mask there? Is that a dinosaur as well?
Where?
Mask.
Here?
Yep, the green one.
Yeah. It's a T-Rex. It's a T-Rex with the Stegosaurus spikes. Okay, now.
Is that a good dinosaur or a bad dinosaur?
This,
Yep.
it's a good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah, this.
Which one is the bad one?
This one, and this one, and this one, this one, and this one, and this one.
Really?
Yeah, he's a bad. Look at his shoot arms. He can move.
That's so cool.
Yeah, and then he can like this. What?
What happened?
It's just moving. It's just moving with 2 legs. It's just moving.
Wow, that's so big.
Yeah.
Can you carry it?
It's too heavy.
It's heavy?
Yeah. Look at it's heavy for me.
Wow. Show us. Here. Stand there.
Look.
Lift it up.
Lift.
Oh, it's heavy.
Look. I cannot even lift it.
How about the other guy there? Can you carry it?
This. This.
The big one with the yep.
Yes, I can. Yes. Okay. Okay, now his legs, he can move. His legs, he can move.
Can you stand
Yeah,
beside him?
here.
Yeah, stand.
Now, I stand now. Look at this other guy. Okay. How do I open this thing up? This.
Okay, put them back on the table.
How do I open this thing up? Here. Okay. Just a little bit. Oh, you can open this thing up. Right here, you can open this.
Oh, I see. That's so cool. So you can put stuff there like small dinosaurs.
Yeah, you can put all. You can put your own dinosaur. Then you can put all here. So I show you. Okay?
Okay.
I show you how you work that. And
So that's
Spinosaurus.
oh, that's a small dinosaur.
Yeah. So you put it in here.
Oh, he's gonna eat it?
Yeah. And then he drop it right here. Look at this come out. It's over here. Bye bye dinosaur. I gonna close this for the dinosaur and then he eats.
Oh no.
He no more that eat meat. He's dead. I gonna stand up this. Forgot. Okay, and then his also his teeth. Oh my god. And then this inside of the mouth.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be possibly worse and no more. Okay? No, I can show you how to work this and this. I'm gonna show you how it works this. I can
Did you make them fight?
Yeah. I'm gonna fight you, Godzilla. I'm gonna fight. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe to the red button.